Almin, please मुझे Monday का time दे दीजिएगा. If it is after 4:30 पे अगर कोई problem नहीं है तो we will do it at 4:30. We will do the economic environment. अच्छी बात है अपने घर में बैठे हुए हैं आप लोग बहुत अच्छी तरह से read करें make the marketing understanding very strong and so much. Have a nice day.
Okay, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome every one of you to this interactive session of entrepreneurship. As you know, in the previous week that has passed, we have started our discussion on how to develop business canvas models. In the business model canvas, we have discussed that your whole business model or your complete business model can be divided into 9 different components. Before we started our discussion on canvases, we have also discussed that what business model basically means and what are some of the key areas or key research that entrepreneur has to do in order to develop a very efficient business model. So as far as the business model area is concerned or business model canvas part of lectures are concerned, if you have any question or any query, the floor is now open. You can ask me questions and then we are going to go forward with your presentations on your business models. So if anyone has a question, I would start from Mr. Hassan Raza. Hassan, have you listened to my previous lectures? And if you have any question, you can ask me now. अगर आपके पास कोई question है तो you can ask.
नो सर, असल में मेरा जो पोर्टल है वो ब्लॉक हुआ था एडमिन की तरफ से, तो वो मैंने आज ही खुलवाया, तो मैंने भी वीडियोस देखी नहीं आपके.
Okay. Right. Any other student or any other class fellow that you know of who is facing this problem?
Yes sir, हमारी क्लास की स्टूडेंट है कायनात.
Yes sir, मेरा भी इशू है.
Zuhaib, I am coming to you. Just let Hassan Irfan speak up first.
जी सर, कायनात फातिमा का भी इशू है, उनका भी अभी तक पोर्टल नहीं खुला.
Okay, so your issue has been resolved, so I would request you to listen all the previous lectures and develop your understanding regarding business model and business model canvas.
Please, right sir. Right.
And if you have any question, you can give me a call. I was a bit busy today, so unfortunately I was unable to take few calls. But you can always send me an email or post your questions on a discussion board or on Google Classroom.
Right sir.
Okay.
Yes sir, right.
Right. Okay, Umar Rashid, do you have any question, any query?
Yes sir, I have a question regarding the revenue streams.
Ji.
Sir, in that you posted there were written like 4 factors in the slides in which there was a subscription and something like usage or something like that.
Ji.
Sir, you were describing the difference between them, sir. I did not understand that.
Right. The basic difference between usage fee and subscription is that usage fee you also pay a certain amount of money if you want to use a certain product of a company or you want to avail services, but that fee is one time. On the other hand, the subscription fee is a fee that you would continuously pay. For example, आप जैस की जो पैसे पे करते हो या जैस की आप सिम बाय करते हो और फिर आप कंटिन्यूअसली ऑन डेली ऑन वीकली मंथली बेसिस आप कुछ पैसे पे करते हो as a bill, so that is kind of a subscription fee. Or if you have a subscription of a certain website for months or for years, after that very year you have to pay the amount again in order to continue that very subscription. But on the other hand, the usage fee is a one-time fee that you pay in order to use a certain asset or to pay or to subscribe. For example, if you go to Joyland and you want to use a ride or you want to take a ride, you would pay a certain amount of money, you would buy a ticket and you would use that very facility. And if you want to do it again, you can
so you have to go and buy it again, right?
You can use it again. They can continuously, you are not obligatory, there is no obligation to continuously keep on paying the amount in order to keep using.
Sir, can you give me another example of this, the usage fee?
The usage fee another example can be, for example, if you buy an application over the your mobile phone. So there are certain features, or there are certain features of that very particular website that are only open if you pay a certain amount of money, or and
Yeah.
that becomes available to you for a certain amount of time. After that, that facility is no more available. So that
Sir,
is
it
also an
is
example of
kind
a
of similar
usage.
with the subscription, right?
Both are quite similar, but the only difference is the relationship that you are going to develop. In subscription fee, the relationship is more of a continuous form.
All right.
In the
All
case
right.
of usage fee, the relationship is more of a transactory kind of a form. So transactory relationship or continuous relationship ke darmiyan, there is a mix of both, which is a usage fee facility or a usage fee form of generating
Okay.
revenue.
All right. So thank
Is
you.
it clear, Umar? Umar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else? Okay, Zuhaib, Ijaz, you were saying something, beta. Zuhaib,
यस
Ijaz.
सर मेरा साउंड बैंड था तो डिसेबल हो गया था अब असाइनमेंट क्विज़ वगैरह का क्या करूं
Beta, assignment, so there was this one assignment that you have to submit, which is the business model presentation that you have to do today. अगर आपका अकाउंट ब्लॉक था तो आपको किसी ग्रुप मेंबर से पूछना चाहिए था कि असाइनमेंट कौन कौन सी सर ने अपलोड की हुई है और उनकी आपको तैयारी करनी चाहिए थी. एज फार एज द क्विज इज कंसर्न, तो क्विज आपका मिस हो गया अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बिकॉज आपने फी टाइम पर पे नहीं की, तो उसका तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. ये है कि अब अगर इफ योर अकाउंट इज नाउ एक्टिव, तो फॉर फ्यूचर quizzes and for future assignments you can keep on keep yourself updated, and you should be more efficient and more vigilant with when it comes to quizzes and assignments. और मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ?
ओके सर थैंक यू
Any question? आपने lectures नहीं सुने होंगे because of this issue.
नो सर नहीं सुने आज सुन लूंगा
Okay, right. मोहम्मद जमशेद जी बेटा. Any question? Anything that
यस
you
सर.
want to ask?
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन सर वो की एक्टिविटीज जोन सी कैनवस के अंदर लिस्ट डाउन थी, मतलब वो एक ब्लॉग है उसका की एक्टिविटीज का सर, वो मुझे
Key
इनसे
activities.
समझ नहीं आई एक्टिविटीज उनकी कोई प्रमोशन एक्टिविटीज हैं या मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटीज हैं,
हाँ,
किस तरह
देखो,
से?
key activities are all those activities that you have to perform in order to not only produce the value that you want to deliver, but also to market or deliver the value. So all the activities that you have to perform in order to run your business comes under the category of, or comes under the component of key activities.
सर सर
इसके अंदर आपके
सर
प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज भी आएंगी, इसके अंदर आपकी
हाँ
मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटीज भी आएंगी, इसके अंदर आपकी एडवर्टाइजिंग एक्टिविटीज भी आएंगी, सेलिंग एक्टिविटीज भी आएंगी.
सर
एवरी
मैं
एक्टिविटी दैट यू हैव टू परफॉर्म,
एक्टिविटी सर
अगर आप उसको कुछ मेजर कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड कर लो या मेजर हेडिंग्स, सब हेडिंग्स में डिवाइड कर लो, तो दैट वुड कम अंडर द की एक्टिविटी पार्ट.
सर जो आपकी इंटरनल एक्टिविटीज हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की अपनी जो उसको रन करने के लिए, सर वो भी इसके अंदर इंक्लूड होती हैं, ये खाली वो एक्टिविटीज जो आप एक्सटर्नली परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं टू एंगेज विद योर?
For example, I gave you the a very simple example of a lemonade stall business model canvas.
यस
आपने
सर.
अगर वो सुना हो, तो उसके अंदर the key activity that Kelly has to perform was to produce that lemonade and then to market and sell that very lemonade. So this
यस
means all the internal activities, because production is an internal activity.
यस सर.
That is also part of those key activities. So key activities involves all those major activities that you have to perform in order to run your business and in order to perform or produce the value.
ओके सर.
ठीक है?
यस सर.
Okay, good enough. Rabia Yaqub, जी बेटा, any question? Okay, Rabia is not here. Fariha Fayaz.
यस सर. सर मुझे ना सेगमेंटेड स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में थोड़ा सा पूछना था.
जी बेटा, आप पूछें, कोई स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन है कि should I be explaining segmented strategy or
सर मुझे कोई
segmented?
एग्जांपल इसके बारे में कुछ थोड़ी सी एक एग्जांपल बता दें.
Okay. देखो बेटा, segmented market basically means that you have selected a certain segment, but a certain segment can be further segmentized into many sub-segments. For example, जिस तरह मैंने आपको लेक्चर में भी एग्जांपल दिए डाइनर्स क्लोथिंग की, If
Yes,
you go to Diners Clothing, so Diners Clothing retail outlet is divided into many different subsections of clothing brands. एक उनका किड्स सेक्शन है, फिर एक उनका फॉर्मल सेक्शन है, एक उनका कैजुअल सेक्शन है. तो they have selected one segment which is clothing, and then they further divided that segment into sub categories or sub segments. जिसके अंदर उन्होंने किड्स सेक्शन अलग कर दिया, शूज अलग कर दिए, कैजुअल क्लोथ्स अलग कर दिए, आपकी फॉर्मल क्लोथिंग अलग कर दी. So this is how a single segment can be divided into further segments. Same अगर मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूं और क्लोथिंग ब्रांड्स का, तो अगर इफ यू गो एंड ऑब्जर्व वर्दा और सिफायर और बरीजे और ऑल ऑफ दीज क्लोथिंग ब्रांड्स जो कि आपसे रिलेटेड भी हैं काफी, तो दे हैव डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स एंड डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. फॉर्मल क्लोथिंग अलग से है, स्टिच्ड एंड अनस्टिच्ड का एक अलग सेक्शन है उनके पास. So they have divided, they have selected a particular segment and then they further divided that very segment into multiple subsections. इसको हम कहते हैं segmented market strategy.
all right, sir.
Clear हुआ कुछ आपको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, उम्मे हबीबा जी, बेटा any question उम्मे हबीबा?
जी सर. सर वो बिजनेस मॉडल में वो हाउ वी कैन कम्युनिकेट अदर पीपल्स, वो क्या से कहते हैं, इसकी कम्युनिटी कैसे बना सकते हैं हम इसकी?
Communities, देखो
जी.
communities section was basically discussed जब आप customer relationship की बात करते हो और जब आप customer के साथ communication की बात करते हो. तो if you go, आपने कभी IMDb यूज किया है? इंटरनेट मूवी डेटाबेस imdb.com विजिट किया आपने कभी?
नहीं.
Rotten Tomatoes
नो सर.
.com ये यूज किया नहीं? अच्छा, ESR Eat Sleep Repeat?
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं किया.
अच्छा, आपने कभी किसी मूवी का रिव्यू पढ़ा है ओवर द इंटरनेट कि कैसी मूवी
जी
है ये?
सर. जी सर.
वो रिव्यूज ऑब्वियसली किसी वेबसाइट पे लिखे जाते हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो वो आपने कभी सोचा है कि ये वेबसाइट्स क्यों बनी और व्हाई देयर वाज दिस नीड ऑफ जनरेटिंग दीज वेबसाइट्स और जनरेटिंग रिव्यूज? क्या ख्याल है आपका, क्यों क्यों लोग लिखते हैं रिव्यूज जाकर वहां पर?
नो आइडिया.
नहीं, कॉमन सेंस यूज करो ना. आप अगर किसी चीज का रिव्यू लिखोगे तो क्यों लिखोगे? आप बेटा देखो, किसी भी चीज का रिव्यू अगर लिखोगी तो बेसिकली इसलिए लिखोगी कि आपके रिव्यू पढ़कर a person can make up his mind that whether he or she should be going and watching this movie or not. ठीक है, आपने लेट्स सपोज कि मूवी देखी and you went over the internet and you wrote a review कि मूवी बहुत अच्छी थी या मूवी बहुत बुरी थी या whatever जो भी आपकी उसके अंदर फाइंडिंग्स थी. So you are basically writing so that you can express your feelings and it can also help other people who are thinking of watching that particular movie. So basically these communities help not only customers but also the sellers of these services in order to find out that what people are saying about about their products and about their services. On the other hand, it also helps customers in order to make the buying decision. जिस तरह ईट स्लीप रिपीट एक बहुत फेमस कम्युनिटी है आपके पाकिस्तान में, ESR भी इसका नाम है. अब ESR पे people can go and they can post reviews of different restaurants and it helps a lot to customers who are thinking of going to that very restaurant. They can go to ESR and they can find out that whether the experience of people in this very restaurant was good or not. अगर आप फूड पांडा यूज करती हो मैं अभी का?
जी सर.
Okay, the Food Panda के अंदर there is this option of giving comments and reviews of the restaurants from which you are ordering any food item.
जी.
आप अगर वहां पर जाके अच्छे रिव्यूज और अच्छे कमेंट्स करती हो, उस रेस्टोरेंट्स को अच्छे स्टार देती हो, तो दिस इज हेल्पफुल फॉर नॉट ओनली टू द कस्टमर्स हु आर थिंकिंग ऑफ ऑर्डरिंग from that very restaurants. This is also helpful for that restaurant कि उसको feedback मिलेगी कि what kind of image my restaurant carries in the mind of my potential customers. So that is why it is beneficial for the organization and for the consumers to create these communities where people can openly express their point of views and they can openly express the feelings regarding the product or the services that they are using.
Okay sir.
Clear हुआ मैं हबीबा?
जी सर. जी सर. Thank you so much.
Right. जी, anyone else जी, कौन रह गया? मोहम्मद जमशेद, सुमैर आमिर, Any question?
जी सर, नो जी सर, मैंने एक्चुअली फीस नहीं सबमिट करवाई, तो अभी भी वो मंडे को करवानी है, तो अकाउंट आज एबल करवा के आया हूँ मैं, वो भी उनसे सर रिक्वेस्ट करके।
Okay, please listen to the recorded lectures, and once the recorded lectures, you have listened to the recorded lectures, if you have any question, you can give me a call, or you can post your questions in the stream or chat box of the Google Classroom, and I would be responding you there. Okay, Samir?
जी सर, ओके।
Okay, Ji, now you guys can start your presentation. I would start from who is going to present? Any volunteers that who want to go first?
सर वो एक बात पूछनी थी
सर
जिनका
मैंने प्रेजेंट फर्स्ट।
जी सुमायर, आप पहले क्वेश्चन पूछ लो अपना, फिर फरिया यू कैन स्टार्ट द प्रेजेंटेशन देन।
सर
जी
जिन
सुमायर।
नाम आपने वो उसमें मार्क किया हुआ है, उन्हीं की प्रेजेंटेशन है आज?
जी बेटा, उन्हीं की प्रेजेंटेशन है।
बाकियों की कब होगी?
बाकियों का मैं आफ्टर दिस इंटरेक्टिव क्लास अनाउंस कर दूंगा, तो इंशाल्लाह इन द नेक्स्ट इंटरेक्टिव क्लास द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लास मेंबर्स वुड प्रेजेंट।
ओके सर, इंशाल्लाह।
ठीक है, चलिए फरीहा, यू आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट योर बिजनेस मॉडल।
यस सर।
ओके बेटा, यू कैन स्टार्ट द प्रेजेंटेशन नाउ। Fariha beta, please share your slides as well with everyone. I'm stopping my presentation, so you can share your slides and you can start your presentation now.
All right sir. Sir, the slides is visible?
जी बेटा, स्लाइड नजर आ रही हैं आपकी, आप शुरू करें।
All right sir. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Friha Fiaz and I am going to present on components of business model. So first of all, what is business model? Business model is basically a diagram or a plan that describes each and everything about the business or new venture. Business model includes all the business related activities, like how we are going to compete in the marketplace, what are the key resources we are going to use, and what are the key partners we are working with, and how we basically interact with our customers. So let me introduce a new venture idea. The product we are going to launch is termed as Car Table, which will be launched under the brand name Smart Car Accessories. And as you can see in this picture, the car table will be attached with the steering wheel of the car table for the front seater and as well as for the back seaters. And this product will allow people to do multiple things in car comfortably, like writing the note, like eating comfortably, writing notes, and put their mobile phones and documents on the table easily. Then the components of business model. There are four major components of business model that are core strategy, strategic resources, partnership network, and customer interface. The first component is core strategy, in which include the mission statement. So the mission statement of this new venture is to come up with the car accessory products that have value in it by both its designs and functions, and make our product common everywhere. Then the product market scope. As I discussed earlier, the new venture focus on the product that is Car Table, and it is going to give ease to the people. And the scope of this product is basically, as you know, there is a trend of Uber and Cream. So the Uber and Cream drivers spend most of their time in their vehicles. So this product is going to provide them ease. And then the basis for differentiation. As you know, in Pakistan, no car accessory company would introduce a car table yet. So this is the first company who introduced the car table. So this is one point of differentiation. And next, the special features, like car table is foldable. When people want to put it off, then they can fold it like a mat. There is a table which has two trays in it. The second tray slides under the first tray. Then the strategic resources. Strategic resources are very important for the organizations to operate and compete in the marketplace. The first one element of this is core competency. Core competency is basically serve as competitive advantage. So core competency of this new venture is its product itself, as I discussed earlier about the features that will become the competitive advantage of this company. Then the strategic assets. Assets are something that help organizations to survive and maintain their business. So the cash is one of the major assets of this company to start or maintain their business. Then the manufacturing or dyeing machines. Manufacturing or dyeing machines also serve as the assets of this company. Manufacturing machine is basically help us to make a table, and dyeing machine is basically help us to give a desirable shape or color to the table. Then the brand name itself, as it is a company who introduced the card table, yet it is the first company, so it create an image in the mind of the customers, and so the brand name is also serve as the strategic assets of this company. Then the key partnership. Here all the individuals and organization involved that work with the organization. So the first one is supplier. Here Quaid-e-Azam Industry Machine is a supplier of this organization, because from whom we get our machines like dyeing machines or manufacturing machines. Then the salesmen are also our supplier, also our partners who work with us and sell our product on wholesales to the retailers. And retailers involves the Hyperstar, Metro, all the spare part shops like Bilalganj, etc. And here I also write down the Daraz .pk in key partnership. So if we launched our product or introduced our product on the Daraz .pk app, then even the individuals, the retailers, the car owners go to the Daraz and place their orders. Then customer interference. Customer interface is basically how we are going to interact with the customer. So we can interact our customer in both ways, like direct or indirect. A direct way is basically the car owners, individuals and retailers come to our shops, inspect the product and buy the product. Then the indirect way, where the customer can communicate with us with the help of internet. They can place order with the help of our websites, and they can or they may simply go to the Daraz.pk, place the order and get their delivery on their doorsteps. That is all about the components of business model.
Okay, Fariha, mashallah, very well presented, and you have identified all the major important portion of your business model. Can you please keep the presentation on so that we can review the presentations in much more detail?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you move forward, please? Can you go to the key resources part of your business model?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So as far as the strategic assets are concerned, so are you going to buy the manufacturing or the dye machine? Because when you were initially presenting your business plan, you were saying that you are going to import this very product into Pakistan, and then you are going to sell it. So now
Yes,
are you planning to manufacture this in Pakistan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So this would obviously have some cost implications. So
Yes, sir.
then your overall cost for the startup would definitely increase.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, kare beta. Okay. Right. Right. Good enough, Fariha. That's good. You have identified all the areas in very much detail. In the next week, everyone is going to present the same business models in the Canvas format. So Fariha, because you have done the research very well, to you, it would not be very tough for you to develop the Canvas format now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is going to present next?
Sir, can I?
जी हसन इरफान मेरे ख्याल से आप ही हैं बाकी all the people who were assigned the presentation today are not present.
Okay, sir. I can
जी हसन, you can start the presentation now, beta.
Okay, sir. Okay, ji, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can everyone see the slides?
Ji, beta, we can see the slides. You can start the presentation.
Okay, sir. As you all know, I'm Hassan Irfan, and I will be presenting the components of business model. So basically, my business is ultraviolet printing. I would be printing different stuff from, you can say, a new technique that is ultraviolet machine. So my course, what are the core strategies? In core strategies, the first thing is mission statement. A mission statement is, a mission is to provide you worthy, colorful environment by our quality printing services. Basically, the difference between a simple printing machine and a UV printing machine is, the main thing is basically quality. That the you can say the printing quality is much better than like 40 pixels, like in much better than conventional printer machines. So this was the mission statement. The service providing exceptional quality of ultra provide. I will be basically providing services of printing through UV machine. So the market scope, our focus will be on business customers like LG, Bosch, Haier, TC, etc. Basically, the business is like a B2B business. So I would be basically मेरा जो business और जो मेरा product है ना, वो ये है कि मैं बेसिकली जो डिफरेंट कंपनीज हैं और वो जो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स देते हैं, वो बेसिकली एक कार्टन के अंदर पैक करके देते हैं. जितनी भी कंपनीज हैं अपनी भी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स डिलीवर करती हैं, वो एक कार्टन के अंदर करती हैं. तो आई वुड बी जस्ट प्रिंटिंग दोज कार्टन्स फॉर द कंपनीज, जस्ट लाइक देयर लोगोज एंड द प्रोडक्ट्स डिटेल्स ऑन द कार्टन्स. सो लाइक LG इज डिलीवरिंग LCDs एंड ACs इन देयर कार्टन्स. आई विल बी मतलब मैं LG के पास जाके उनके जो कार्टन बॉक्सेस है जिसके अंदर वो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स डिलीवर करते हैं, तो मैं उसको प्रिंट करके दूंगा उन कार्टन बॉक्सेस को. तो ये एक B2B बिजनेस कहलाएगा, क्योंकि मैं भी बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ. तो आई वुड बी just getting in touch with another business like LG, Bosch, Haier, TC, etc. All other companies that are manufacturing in Pakistan. So differentiation, the first differentiation will be the cost reduction, that I would be designing. I would be designing the graphics by myself, and I have a partner who is also a good designer. So we would not have some extra expenses of hiring some exceptional graphic designers. And the second thing that would be the differentiation would be the target market. The target market is a bit different. Basically my competitors, मैंने सर अपनी जो रिसर्च की है इस बिजनेस के अंदर, तो जो मेरे जितने भी competitors हैं वो बड़ी स्मॉल प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर प्रिंटिंग कर रहे हैं, जस्ट लाइक विजिटिंग कार्ड्स के ऊपर, बॉल पॉइंट्स के ऊपर और क्लॉक्स के ऊपर, सिंपल जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनके ऊपर जो सा वो प्रिंटिंग कर रहे हैं. तो मेरी टारगेट मार्केट कुछ इस तरह से डिफरेंट है कि मैं जो सा वो एक जो सा ना आप कह सकते हैं कि इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल के अंदर मैं खेल सकता हूँ, कि मैं उनके जो डिफरेंट कंपनीज हैं उनकी जो पैकेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स होती हैं उनके ऊपर प्रिंटिंग कर दूंगा. तो एक इकोनॉमी स्केल पे हो जाएगा और मेरी टारगेट मार्केट भी थोड़ी सी उनसे डिफरेंट हो जाएगी. So this was the core strategy. The next is strategic resources. In strategic resources, I have the competency of good presentation, convincing, and negotiation skills. Basically, there are two partners, me and there are two owners of the business, me and my partner. So I would be having good presentation skills on this company, on other companies, and the other partner has good convincing and you can say negotiation skills. So we will be creating a very ground position by using these skills. So our strategic assets will be latest high tech machines that have some high speed in printing. Our staff will be literate. मतलब आप इसका इस तरह से कह सकते हैं कि मैं जब जिस तरह की जैसे LG और ये बोस जितनी बड़ी कंपनीज है इनके अंदर जब मैं जाऊंगा, तो मेरे पास एक अच्छी यू कैन से कि अच्छी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए बोलने वगैरह की भी और प्रेजेंटिंग की भी. तो इसी चीज के तहत मैं जो सा हूँ वो.
Okay, Hassan, so you are basically saying that your main customers are going to be big corporations like LG and Microsoft.
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट नहीं सर, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट बेसिकली पाकिस्तान में प्रोडक्शन कर नहीं रहा. जो पाकिस्तान में लोकली मैन्युफैक्चर और यहाँ पैकेजिंग करते हैं ना, तो जो पैकेजिंग के लिए उनको जो कार्टन बॉक्सेस चाहिए होते हैं जिनके अंदर अपने प्रोडक्ट्स पैक करके देते हैं, जस्ट लाइक LG अपने LCDs देता है, ऑडियोनिक अपने स्पीकर्स देता है, तो वो जो कार्टन जो प्रिंट होते हैं मैं वो प्रिंट करके दिया करूंगा उनको.
Right, that's good. Okay, you can move forward now.
Okay. There will be the partnership network suppliers. Basically इसके अंदर मेन सप्लायर्स की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ एक इंक जो है वो मेन चीज चाहिए होती है मुझे उसके लिए प्रिंटिंग के लिए. तो वो तो इजीली आपको दराज से भी मिल जाएगी, हाल रोड पे भी, चाइना से भी इंपोर्ट करवा सकते हैं, वो इतना इशू नहीं है, बड़ी इजीली अवेलेबल है ये इंक. तो रिलेशनशिप्स के अंदर आएंगे सर. बेसिकली पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो मेन जो कार्टेज बॉक्सेस हैं वो सिर्फ एक ही कंपनी है. पैकेजेस जैसे आपने इधर पैकेजेस मॉल देखा होगा, उन्हीं पैकेजेस उसी कंपनी की बेसिकली कार्टेज पैकिंग होती है, जो आप समझ ले कि इनके पास 80-90% शेयर है, पूरी पाकिस्तान मार्केट शेयर है पैकेजिंग कंपनी का, पैकेजेस कंपनी के पास. क्योंकि ये जो से जितनी भी कंपनीज है मोस्टली 80-90% कंपनीज को यही पैकेजेस जो उनसे वो डिलीवर करते हैं, कार्टन बॉक्सेस डिफरेंट साइजेस के. तो मेरे पास इनसे हमारे से एक अच्छे रिलेशंस है, तो इनके थ्रू हम डिफरेंट कंपनीज को जो उनसे इन टच करके तो उनको एक अच्छा कस्टमर बना सकते हैं. The next would be customer interface. The first is target market. जैसा आपको मैंने बताया कि एक B2B segment है, तो मैं जो वो customers will be the one who are using carton boxes. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि जितनी भी बड़ी कंपनीज है जो carton boxes यूज कर रही हैं, तो सब मेरे customers हैं B2B segment के अंदर. फुलफिलमेंट एंड सपोर्ट के अंदर ये है कि मैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब मैं दूसरी कंपनीज के पास जाऊंगा तो मैं फेस टू फेस मीटिंग्स होंगी और मैं उनको प्रेजेंटेशंस दूंगा कि मैं आपको इस क्वालिटी की और ये रिक्वायरमेंट्स के तहत जो मैं आपको प्रिंटिंग करके दे सकता हूँ, और ये चीजें होंगी. दे विल बी
Hassan, I'm going to stop you here. Hassan, I'm going to stop you here. Mashallah, sir, you have done a good research on your business model. I want you to convert this research and present it in the Canvas form in the next class.
Okay.
Right, just go through my lectures on business model canvas and try to learn that how to develop business model canvases. Business model canvas is just a different format of presenting your business model. It's nothing new. Mashallah, you have gathered the information. You just have now to organize that information into the canvas format that I have shared with you. So I hope you would be able to do that with ease. So this brings us to the end of our today's interactive session. In the next class, every one of you have to present a business model canvas. I have also announced this presentation in my recorded lecture. All of you guys are going to present me in 1 minute your business model canvases. And this is the beauty of business model canvas, that you would just have to make one slide. And in that one slide, you can explain me everything. So even once that slide would be in front of me, everything would be clear about your business model. So I want every one of you, the people who were unable to listen to my lecture because their accounts were blocked, to listen to my lecture again, as you guys have resolved that very issue on the business model canvas. And if you have any question, please do give me a call, or you can post your questions on the Google Classroom as well. But in the next class, everyone is going to present. There is no groups now. Everyone is going to present their canvas models in the next class. I hope it is right. And Hassan Irfan, have you taken the attendance for this session?
Sir, मैं ले लेता हूँ अभी.
Okay, please do take the attendance and share me that document. And inshallah, I would see you in our next interactive session. Have a very nice weekend. Allah Hafiz.